Okay, it's Sunday morning. It's daylight. You see the sun coming up over the hills over there. I'm at the same spot I was in my last video. Hopefully I can get on some more fish. Maybe a striper if I'm lucky. I gotta really watch out right here. There's a lot of trees out here in the water. You'll definitely lose a prop through here if you ain't careful. Alright, I'll be back when I'm on some fish. I think I got one, boy, fishing top water. This is only my third cast. He don't look too big, but he's decent. Got him on the third cast of the morning. That's a good sign. You get a look at him. See if we can get one on the fourth cast. Today I'm using a torpedo with a propeller on the back of it. I'll show you here in a second. Finish this cast. I decided to use this because I can keep it in the strike zone a little bit longer than that Zara spook the other day. I was missing a lot of fish because I had to keep it moving and they were following it and they just would give up on it. This I can leave sitting a little bit longer. Alright, you guys can see me. I'm going to go over and fish these trees. See what I can get off of them. Alright boys, I got a big one. He feels big. He jumped once, so I know it's a bass. There has been a lot of stripers jumping, but I just can't get on them. Let's see if this dude will come in here. About to the boat. Oh, he's decent. Oh yeah, he's got it good. Oh yeah, look at that one, boys. Another big spot. I'll let you get a look at him. Let me get the boat moving again. All right, that's him there. It's probably about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. He's really pretty. There's that black spot I was talking about on the tongue. Something, and it's big. I ain't seen it. I felt it. I gotta get the net ready. This is a big one. I think I got my striper finally. Oh. Oh, it's big. Oh, I'm shaking. I am shaking. It's so big. Oh, it's a bass. I got him. Got him foul hooked. Oh, come up here, baby. Come up here. Oh, yeah, that's a nice bass. That's a nice one. Wow, I had him foul hooked right in the side. Oh yeah. Look at that one, baby. Another fat spot. That's about a 2-pounder. I had him hooked in the side, that's why he felt like a striper. Hey boys, I got another one on. It's about 20 seconds since I last let that last one go. I threw my line out as soon as it hit the water. This little bass grabbed it. I was gonna troll. Little largemouth. Got one on, boys. I just started trolling. Oh, he just got in a tree. Oh, he's out. Oh, I might have 2 on. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. It's a bass. Ah, got him. There's that one there, boys. You see him? On. It's not. Did he? No, he's still there. Not very big. Little bitty bass. That's what we call a Kentucky here. See how orange his eyes are? Got one, boys. Fishing top water. He's a little one. Oh, got a... Alright, I'm getting ready to head back to the house. Fishing was good. There's getting to be too many boats. Bunch of striper boats over there. But I'm heading to the house. I'm going to stop one more set of trees and fish them. Because I missed a big one there 2 days ago. So I'm going to see if he's still there. If I don't come back, thanks for watching, you guys. If you could like, comment, and share my channel, subscribe to it. It helps me grow. Trying to grow this channel big enough where I can start streaming fishing. I appreciate it. Peace out.